Transplantation is there at any place in the world?
That is nothing like where you can replace eye or you can make a blind person see. No. So we are at that allow that patient to see broad objects. On eye stem cell. It is absolutely not researched. It is very experimental. The stem cells experiments are still happening in mice and rabbit in experimental level. आपका paper and publication जब आता है कि stem cell से this has become better or that has become better, please read that it is still in rice and mat. For years it is done at animal levels. Then human trial stage 1 आता है. फिर human trial stage 2 आता है, फिर stage 3 आता है. This is a journey of many years. And then something is scientifically, clinically evidence proven कि अब आप ये procedure कर सकते हैं. Because किसी भी procedure को करने के लिए उसका advantage and disadvantage is studied over a period of say 5-10 years and a retrospective study. So stem cell is a complete gimmick right now. Complete gimmick. We have had patients who have spent lakhs of money. अब आपका glaucoma से optic nerve चला गया. The patient is almost blind. He will do anything on the earth if somebody gives him even a 5% hope. So how these centers are working is they will say, we can't give you 100% guarantee, but it can work and it will not work. It will not work in anybody and you will think that, oh, I am that 20% of cases where it did not work. So please don't. And sad to say, but there are some places, not only stem cells, but they're doing a lot of other things which ethically should not be done. So your patient and a lot of patients who will come are the last cases where there is no hope. So they travel all the way hoping that something can be done. There are few conditions in the eye related to retina, related to optic nerve that you cannot get the vision back. The optic nerve, the nerve which connects the eye and the brain is only 1 millimeter. And in that 1 millimeter, it has 1 million nerve fibers. It's a very sensitive nerve and very sensitive retina. So if for any reason that gets damaged, it's an irreversible loss and there is no treatment in the world right now for it. But patients spend lakhs of rupees just with the hope that I may get something. So because you are the caretaker of your patients, it's very important for you to know what is right and what is not correct. Yeah? So stem cells, no.
Reading glass जो remove करते हैं reading glass.
Yeah.
आप recommend करते हैं.
So see, reading glasses will come to a person after 40-45 years of age. Press myopia जो पास वाला होता है. जो LASIK हमने आपको दिखाया, that is for distance correction. So 18 plus, anybody who is above 18 years of age and anybody जिसका number 1 साल तक stable रहा है after 18, we can go ahead and do LASIK. -1 से -8 चश्मे का नंबर हटता है LASIK से. 8 के ऊपर जितना भी नंबर है, चाहे आपका नंबर 10 है, 15 है, 20 है, 25 है, we do something called as ICL. That is also a day care procedure. Like we've had patients उनका -20 नंबर है, बिना चश्मे के उनको चश्मा भी नहीं दिखता सुबह के हमें कहाँ से उठाना है. And 1 day procedure and they can see the world absolutely clear the next day. That is ICL. तो ये पार्ट तो हो गया 18 ईयर से लेके और 40-45 ईयर तक ओल्ड डिस्टेंस के लिए. अब आपका क्वेश्चन कि 45-50 के बाद जो पास का नंबर आता है लोगों का, उसमें हम लैसिक नहीं करते बिकॉज लैसिक इज फॉर डिस्टेंस करेक्शन. लेकिन हम उनको बोलते हैं कि आप 4-5 साल और रुक जाओ. अराउंड 50 वी डू दीज मल्टीफोकल लेंसेज. सो वी डू रिफ्रैक्टिव लेंस एक्सचेंज. जैसे कैटरैक्ट सर्जरी में हम आपका लेंस रिप्लेस कर देते हैं 10 मिनट्स की सर्जरी में, सेम चीज में उसका दूर का भी और पास का दोनों का नंबर हट जाता है. We can do it at 45 also, but 45 पे it seems very early to go inside the eye and do a procedure because 45 पे your number is only +1 and आपका काम चल जाता है थोड़ा सा दूर रख के, थोड़ा सा ब्राइटनेस बढ़ा के मोबाइल की. So 50 के बाद कभी भी if somebody has higher number both for distance and near, तो near का नंबर हम रिफ्रैक्टिव लेंस चेंज करके हटाते हैं. एंड एवरीथिंग इन द आई हैज अ सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया. ये नहीं कि कोई भी प्रोसीजर किसी भी आई में हो सकता है. जैसे आप लैसिक के लिए भी आ रहे हैं, 1 घंटे का एग्जॉस्टिव आई का टेस्ट होता है, राइट? कॉर्निया स्कैन, ड्राइनेस टेस्ट, रेटिना स्कैन. ओनली व्हेन योर आईज आर कंप्लीटली फिट फॉर लैसिक वी विल से आप करा सकते हैं. नहीं तो आप अपना चश्मा लगाइए, कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस लगाइए, दैट इज गुड फॉर यू. द प्राइमरी थिंग इज कि आजकल किसी भी ऑर्गन और बॉडी का इतना ज्यादा हेल्थ में मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन भी है that people don't get to know what is right and what is not so right. And we have to work ethically. See, patient care is only and only worth it when you are doing something for the patient which is 100% correct for that patient. Otherwise, there's no point of you being here and we being here. Because we are related, not, see, revenue and all is a very small part of it. But ultimately, healing and eyes is related to the universe. Upar wala aur hamara, we are just the mediator. So we work on that ideology. In my whole department, like to give you a non-medical insight, so every Thursday we have a class for doctors because learning never stops. Every Saturday we have a class for optometrists. First Monday of every month, we have a puja or a prayer or a gratitude session with all the staff. 15 people of our staff do a gratitude and a prayer for our department every Monday of every month, saying that whatever we are doing is we are here only and only to heal the patient. God give us strength so that we become better people. That's it. So we genuinely work on that, and what some can be treated, whatever cannot be treated, we will just tell you that don't waste your money, this cannot be treated.
Eye transplantation is there at any place in the world?
Cornea transplant?
No, total eye transplant.
No, so again that's a myth. See, what happens is that suppose there is a research going on in bionic eyes. Now bionic eye is not an eye as you visually imagine. The eye, when they say that you will read titles on newspaper, a blind person can see, he's got a new eye or a bionic eye. No, these are just headlines to grab your attention. The fact of the matter is that bionic eye is a little chip. So it's like a microprocessor, which they are still, it's still evolving. It's not completely in its final version, but at least it has come on to the human trials. It's not just on animals now. So that chip microprocessor is put on your retina. So that retina which was dead, or the optic nerve which was not conducting the vision from the eye to the brain, it starts processing a little bit. There is no eye which can be replaced eye to eye because it's a very, very complex structure at the back of the eye. If you cannot replace one nerve, you cannot replace 1 million nerves, as I told you. So you cannot replace the eye, but those chips help those completely, and it will not work in a completely blind patient. So when people come to us with marked vision loss, the first thing that we see is PL, light दिखती है कि नहीं patient को. That's called perception of light. Then we check light सारे direction से दिख रही है कि नहीं. So if there is a retina or an optic nerve problem, even if the patient has PL positive, means उसको light perception है, लेकिन हम उसको जब different direction से torch दिखाएंगे, तो he will not be able to say किस direction से आ रही है. So when the patient is not able to tell us that, those are the patients where there is not much hope. So we have to tell them that you may not get any vision. We are not doing any treatment for you, be it stem cell, be it bionic eye. There are few conditions like age-related macular degeneration, where suppose 95% of your retina is not functioning, and the patient can hardly see anything. Maybe he can just perceive light. This microchip processor, the bionic eye, will allow that patient to see broad objects. So even for a blind patient, just to see that there is something out there, I should not bump into it, or macro structures or light, that in itself becomes a big deal. So that much development has happened, not anything beyond that. There's nothing like where you can replace eye or you can make a blind person see, no. So we are at that level. He's blind, completely blind. There is a spectacle which we are also dispensing. It has a micro camera and a microprocessor. So while the blind person is moving, it gives an audio instruction completely on navigation. So आप बात कर रहे हैं, वो उसको बताएगा कि आपके सामने एक पर्सन खड़ा हुआ है, व्हाइट सूट पहना हुआ है, ब्लैक वो है, उसका ये है, ये एंगल है, आपके सामने ये है. So विजुअली वो उसको ट्रांसमिट करके ऑडिटरी लेवल पे देता जा रहा है. So वो भी ब्लाइंड लोगों के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है, बिकॉज being blind and completely handicapped and dependent on somebody else, vis-a-vis somebody giving you an audio guidance कि अब आप right move करो, left move करो, सामने cupboard आ गया, ये हो गया, that also is a big blessing. So at least that is commercially available. Those are called smart vision glasses.